Hello, happy Sunday. I'm about to take my makeup off and do a facial massage, so I thought I would talk you through it with a lovely glass of red in hand. So I'm going to use our Brilliant Balm to take my makeup off, and I'm also going to do my massage with this and also leave it on as an overnight mask. This is a multi-purpose mask which is really hydrating, soothing and nourishing on the skin. You can use it in all those ways that I've just said, but also works really well on dry areas. So you can use it on your hands, your feet, your knees. You can tame eyebrows with it. You can use it on loose ends of your hair. It really is multi-purpose. I've used quite a lot of mine, but a little goes a long way with it and it lasts forever. The pot is massive. And I've got it in a glass jar and an aluminium lid. Right, let's get to it. First things first is you just need a little bit of the Brilliant Balm. Just want to warm that in the palms of your hands. And then use all over the face. I'm just going to put my hair up. I haven't got mascara on today. And then what you need to do is get your muslin cloth. This is the Lucy B double-sided. One side is a little bit rougher, so it gently exfoliates, and we've got the soft side. I'm going to use the soft side. I'm just going to go all over the face and remove my makeup. This literally melts away the most stubborn makeup. I'm just doing a video for Instagram. Do you want to say hello?
How do we turn the light off?
We'll turn it off at the end when I've finished. Do you want to
How do
look
we
ready?
turn it off?
Oh. Say hello, people.
Hello, people.
Happy Sunday. Not now though, because Mummy needs to see what I'm doing. We can turn it off as soon as I'm finished, okay?
Okay.
Not now, do you please?
I'm going on this.
He's going to turn it off, 100%.
How do we turn it off? How do we turn it off? How do we turn it?
So now all my makeup is removed. I applied the tan drops, by the way. That's what this lovely glow is to my skin.
Oh, look.
Darling, Mummy's just doing a video, so I need the light on.
Okay.
Thank you. Can you put it back in for me? Because look how dark it is now. I can't see what I'm doing. So with the Brilliant Balm, you just want to warm that up in your hands again.
Why is there not Christmas tree on?
And then you want to apply it all over the face. So with facial massage, this is great because it helps bring oxygen and blood to the face. It also helps with any puffiness, any water retention, and it can help with sculpting the skin. So I find around these areas here, it really helps and helps with sort of puffy cheeks. So what you want to do is, with a light to medium pressure, without dragging the skin, use your fingertip and go upwards towards the ears. Do that about 10 times. And then you can do an upwards motion as well. And then just keep pushing out. And then with the neck, you just want to go down. If you get any tension around here, it feels really nice. Just a bit of pressure downwards on the neck. And you can also go around the ears just with your fingers there. And that feels really nice. You can just sort of do circular movements. And then with the cheeks, you just want to pinch them. Got a lot of them there, so you can see. Pinch. And just again, do that about 10 times. And then you want to push it outwards. This is moving toxins and lymph to the lymph nodes and removing it, so it's great for detoxing the skin. My cheeks got a little bit red. I do have rosacea. And also you will get a bit of redness because it's bringing the blood to the surface, which is going to help make the skin look more plumped as well. This really helps with fine lines as well. You can go around this area here, which I'm starting to notice more on me, upwards and lightly down and a bit more pressure up and then out. And then we want to really be careful around the eyes, no dragging. You can go outwards again. And this is really nice. You just use your fingertips and just press down. I really find around here that feels really nice there. So you just press down and then go out, and then you can pinch the eyebrows. That feels lovely as well. Any tension there. Pinch, 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 and then out. And then we want to just do a crisscross, 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 up, 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 out, crisscross, 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 up and out. And that is a lovely little facial massage to try tonight. Enjoy your Sunday.